Hi guys, so like in my previous video I told you guys about the problems I was facing, and I discovered that there was a problem with the balance of the bed, uh, probably at this side. So after balancing it together, now I decided to make another part, and this turned out pretty good actually, but there are some problems with retraction. I think I'll look into that later, but this part turned out pretty good than before, and even the filament did not broke. I think the reason behind that is there was no tangles. In my first two parts there were like uh, many tangles with the part with the filament. Anyways, uh, this thing is pretty interesting. I don't know if I can show you guys now how this works, but maybe I'll show you guys later. I just wanted to show you guys the quality and how the printing is now. There are some problems here, as you can see. Let me focus. Yeah, there. Anyways, I'll look into that, and let's see. So far 3D printing is uh, going on good, and just like in games or anything new you're trying, there you'll face some problems, and just by tweaking a bit, maybe you'll find that sweet spot. So I'm still searching for mine. So yeah, that's all for today's update.